Hello everyone. So this is the first vlog that I'm posting on the channel. So today's vlog will be about the gardening part that I did today. So we'll start off with this container. So it has a lot of voluntary potatoes. So I'm going to clean them up one by one and we'll see if we get any potatoes. I don't expect much because these are voluntary and they've come by themselves. So I don't expect much. So I've started to clear the containers one by one for the upcoming season to grow more plants. So in order of that, I am cleaning up this container as well. You can see. So this is all that we got. So it is not much but a little and a bonus because it's from voluntary plants. Next, moving up, I cleaned up the water lily pond. At this point you don't see much in there, but I did remove the water lily plants and they've been floating in another container. So once I clean this up, I will be repotting them again and the detailed video will be put up soon. So let me just show you. This is how it looks, all fresh, and the soil is also settled after a scrub. Next up, we will be dealing with these chrysanthemum plants. So you can see they've produced a lot of suckers, all those tiny suckers that you find. So this one is also a sucker that has come up and they're very healthy actually. So in order for them to keep growing, what I will do is I will remove anything that is brown or yellowing, and also I'll remove the lower leaves from these suckers so that there will be proper aeration to the plant and it can grow properly. And once we are done with that, I will also give them a fertilizer. So at this point you can see they're growing pretty well. All the suckers popping up, the tiny ones you can see. So by the next season they will probably be filling up this pot and you can expect multiple plants. The next up, I'm dealing up with this fern. So it has a lot of dried leaves from the winter. So I will be removing all those dried leaves, and once that part is done, it has a lot of soil run out. So I'll be filling up with some compost and then I will be watering it. So ferns are not really demanding plants. They don't demand much. All they need is a lot of water, moisture, and occasionally a bit of compost. So I'm adding a handful of compost. It is actually kitchen waste compost that I'll be adding. So just add a handful of it to the container, just shake and let it settle and you're already done with the part. So that is how simple it is. So I'm adding a little more because the soil has gone up too much. So to substitute that, I'm adding a little more and then I'll just shake the container a bit, just like so, and now I'm done with this. So now the next part will be watering the plants. So I'll get all the plants, all the indoor plants from the shelves and I'm going to water them. So this is the most satisfying part of all. So you can see I'm just using a hose and watering them, and they haven't been watered in quite a while. So I'm quite drenching them, and once they drop off all that water, I'm going to put them back to the shelves. So that's a small vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please do make sure to subscribe.